The T'nalak Festival Commemorative Coin. This July 2026, T'nalak Festival Silver Coin. The story behind South Cotabato's most colorful celebration. Hello everyone, welcome back to PapercoinageVideo, where we explore the fascinating stories behind commemorative coins, rare collectibles, and historical treasures from around the world. Today, we're featuring one of the newest additions to the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas 100 Piso Philippine Festivals Commemorative Coin Series, the beautiful 2026 T'nalak Festival Silver Coin. This coin is more than just silver. It celebrates the rich culture, traditions, and artistry of the Tboli people of South Cotabato. So stay with me until the end because I'll explain the history of the festival, the meaning behind the coin's design, its silver specifications, collector value, and why this coin could become one of the most sought-after Philippine commemorative coins in the future. Let's begin. The Philippine Festivals Coin Series. The Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas launched the 100 Piso Philippine Festivals Commemorative Coin Series to honor some of the country's most colorful and culturally significant festivals. Each coin represents a unique celebration that reflects the traditions, history, and identity of different regions across the Philippines. Unlike ordinary circulation coins, these commemorative coins are specially produced for collectors and history enthusiasts. Every coin tells a story, not just through words, but through carefully crafted artwork engraved in pure silver. The T'nalak Festival Coin is the official coin representing the month of July. What is the T'nalak Festival? The T'nalak Festival is celebrated every July in South Cotabato, Philippines. The festival commemorates the founding anniversary of the province while honoring the incredible craftsmanship of the indigenous Tboli tribe. The word T'nalak refers to a sacred woven cloth made from abaca fibers. Unlike ordinary textiles, T'nalak is deeply spiritual. According to Tboli tradition, the intricate patterns are inspired by dreams given by Fudalu, the goddess of abaca. Because of this belief, the women who weave T'nalak are highly respected and are often called dream weavers. Creating a single T'nalak cloth may take weeks or even months, depending on the complexity of the design. Every pattern tells a story and represents generations of cultural heritage. Festival activities. Every July, South Cotabato comes alive with vibrant celebrations. Visitors can enjoy grand street dancing competitions, cultural performances, tribal music, traditional Tboli dances, colorful costumes, hand-woven textile exhibitions, local food festivals, trade fairs, art exhibits, cultural showcases. Thousands of tourists visit South Cotabato every year to witness this remarkable celebration of indigenous culture. The festival also helps preserve the traditions of the Tboli people for future generations. Coin design. Explained. Now, let's take a closer look at the beautiful coin itself. Obverse. Front. The front of the coin features a proud Tboli woman wearing her traditional attire while holding an authentic T'nalak cloth. The colorful design symbolizes cultural pride, indigenous heritage, traditional craftsmanship. The world-famous weaving tradition of South Cotabato around the coin appears the inscription 100 Piso ang Republika ng Pilipinas along with the official title T'nalak Festival. The vibrant colors perfectly capture the beauty of the festival. Reverse, back. The reverse displays the official design of the Philippine Festival's Commemorative Coin Series. At the center is the seal of the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, surrounded by intricate festival-inspired patterns. The coin also features Year of Issue, 2026, fine silver 1 troy ounce. The reverse symbolizes the unity and diversity of Philippine culture. Coin specifications. Here are the technical specifications of this commemorative coin. Face value, 100 Philippine pesos. Metal, 99.9%. Fine silver weight, 1 troy ounce, 31.1 grams. Year, 2026. Issuer, Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. Series, Philippine. Festival's Commemorative Coin Series. Because it is struck in fine silver, the coin has both collectible and precious metal value. Collectors appreciate not only its silver content, but also its outstanding artistic design. Collector value and future potential commemorative silver coins issued by the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas are often produced in limited quantities. Limited. Mintage, beautiful artwork, and strong cultural significance make these coins highly desirable among collectors. Over time, many BSP commemorative coins have increased in value, especially those that become difficult to find. Although no one can guarantee future prices, coins with limited mintages and strong historical significance often become valuable collector's items. For collectors of Philippine coins, this T'nalak Festival issue is definitely one worth considering. Conclusion. The 2026 T'nalak Festival silver coin is more than just a commemorative coin. It celebrates the remarkable artistry of the Tboli people, honors the cultural identity of South Cotabato, and preserves one of the Philippines' most treasured traditions. Whether you're a coin collector, history enthusiast, or someone who simply appreciates Filipino culture, this coin is a wonderful reminder of the beauty and diversity of our nation. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos featuring Philippine commemorative coins, rare collectibles, and fascinating stories behind every piece. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Sayonara!
Please subscribe on this channel, like and share this video. Thank you.